In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to approve and lock a single employee's timesheet. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Pay Period. Choose Timesheets from the drop-down menu. You should now arrive at a list of your timesheets. To adjust the pay period, you can use the forward arrow or the backward arrow, or click on the calendar icon and choose a specific date. To change the employee's timesheet you are viewing, you can use the backward arrow or the forward arrow, or you can choose a different employee. Right now, this employee, Dave's timesheet, cannot be approved because there is currently one error. However, I can still lock this timesheet, which would mean no changes can be made. If I go and click the previous employee, you can see Kat can be approved. That's because she doesn't have any errors. To approve Kat's timesheet, click Approve under Manager. When you choose Approve, the timesheet will also automatically be locked. If you don't want that to happen, click Cancel. Otherwise, choose OK. I will click OK. And now Kat's timesheet has been approved and locked. If you want to approve and lock the timesheet at the enterprise level, you do need enterprise level permissions. So if I had been logged in under the enterprise, I would then be able to lock it under enterprise or approve it under organization. Let's say that I need to make a change to Kat's timesheet, and I've already approved and locked it. Then I can choose Unapprove under Manager. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to undo this approval. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now Kat's timesheet is unapproved. If you just want to lock it, but you don't want to approve it yet, you can click Lock under Local. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to lock this timesheet. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. I could then do the same thing to unlock Kat's timesheet. That's how you can approve and lock timesheets in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add an entry to a timesheet.